power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this pure American muscle on new adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Dodge Durango SRT in Black Pearl. With HID headlamps, 20-inch granite crystal aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control, blind spot and crosspath detection, trailer tow group 5, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 1,549 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, SRT performance pages, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto compatible, heated second row with dual screen entertainment center and video system, third row seating, power sunroof, 5.7-liter V8 SRT HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5546.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles. The smart choice. Factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.